Welcome back to Making Adventure, guys. We're going to be working on our truck today. Today we're going to be making the electrical bin. And we're really excited because the inverter and the batteries and the air conditioner and all of our electrical components go in this bin. So getting this bin done is a huge, huge step. But first we have to turn off our heaters, disconnect our batteries, take the bin off and bring it inside and let it warm up. Our cord's stuck. I need a hammer.
So we actually don't have to turn off the heaters because we have a 120 volt to 12 volt converter inside sitting on the stove. And so when I flip this switch, the batteries will be disconnected and the heater will still have power. So no change.
Alright, we've got the bin in the garage. We're gonna give it a couple hours to warm up and thaw out, and then we're gonna come out here and finish it up.
All right, so this next bin that we're gonna do is gonna be more exciting because we actually get to install our MINISPLIT in it. So I need to make some measurements, and actually, I'm gonna take this with me. It's not too heavy, actually. What is this? A rubber band. Okay, I'm gonna take this with me. Ooh, that side's heavy. So that we can actually measure from it. Okay. So this is ridiculously sharp. Look down the length of it. I'm gonna take that edge off because I don't want to fillet my finger. Okay, so yeah, that's not gonna hold the weight of this air conditioner. But after I weld it, it should be a lot more tight. And we might have to put some supports underneath just to keep us from dragging our air conditioner across the L-cam. Watch your eyes.
Okay, so we welded this beam in the middle, and now it's nice and solid. Ooh, it's nice and warm too. My hands are cold. Hold on to this for a bit.
Hey. Walkie, back up. Back up. Walkie. Out. Out the garage. Back up, Walkie. Good boy.
Alright, so we kind of messed up on this one a little bit. We've done the frames for the door for the front and the back, but we forgot that the mud flap goes like right here. We did it on the other bin, we just somehow forgot it on this one. So Kimi's going to fabricate a small box that comes out like in and then out and then in. You know what I mean, right? So like maybe a corner boxed off for the mud flap, so the mud flap can do its mud flappy thing. Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad. It's just gonna take a little bit more aluminum. Alright y'all, if you like this video, please whomp that like button. I really hope that mud flap hole turns out well, because I still can't believe we messed that up. Take care y'all.